Hi everyone, welcome back to Mindesk. Today we're going to go over 4 new design tools. Once you launch the app, select the spline tool and create a flat, closed loop. Next, turn on the points and select a few of them that we're going to bring up vertically to create a 3-dimensional line. Make sure you stay in line with the Z or blue axes. The first command we're going to learn is patch, which enables you to create a surface within a curve. The next tool is loft. So using the same spline tool as before, go ahead and draw a closed loop that is flat on the XY plane. The magnetic handles will allow you to make sure it's planar. Once you have that closed loop, check underneath to make sure it's flat. Use the copy command to make 3 versions of this. So copying it once and twice in the Z direction. Now, using the knots commands, we'll be able to shrink the central loop so that it is slightly different in overall form as the other two, creating a perfect loft condition. There. Now once I've deselected the points, I scroll around to see what the curves look like, and I go ahead and click all 3 curves in the order of which I want to loft them. And then next I'm going to zoom in and perform the offset command, which basically gives the thickness and volume to that lofted surface. Notice the little arrow at the bottom right showing you the direction and the amount of which it's offsetting. Now I'll go ahead and deselect, and then just kind of look around the model, from underneath and above. So next we're going to make a polygon using the poly tool, which we're going to do our last command, which will be to extrude a curve, in this case a pentagon. So open up the tool palette, and at the top you'll see extrude, select the curve, and bring it up in the Z direction. If the closed curve is flat, it will create a solid extrusion. So again, I'm going to try copying the same curve down and then extruding downwards, creating another solid. This starts to give you the sense of how fast you can begin modeling and creating solids using the same curves and similar commands. Now, if you use a curve that is not planar, like the curve that we used for this patch command, you'll notice when you extrude it, it becomes a wall or a surface and not a solid. So that basically wraps up the design tools from Mindesk. Thank you everyone, and stay tuned for more tutorials from Mindesk.